My room before I downloaded TikTok.
Where's the flavor? Where's the flavor in it?
My room after downloading TikTok.
Here's a really cheap and easy DIY display for your vinyl collection. So I went to Lowe's and got these corner guards and got them cut at the store because it's free. I also grabbed spray paint. I spray painted the corner guards, nailed them to the wall, and boom, you are done. I've had mine up for about 6 months and I've had no problems with it. But if you do have thicker records, you can also add painter's tape to the back to help it stay on. And here's what it looks like in our office. Super minimal and definitely would recommend.
Hey creature friends! So I made this sign for my door recently so that when I have it up, my partner or my roommates know that I don't want to be bothered because I'm being creative or I just need time to myself. So yeah, I super recommend it, and you can just tell them, nope, don't bother me!
Cute DIY room decor check, boho edition, pallet box bookshelf, embroidery hoop headboard, pallet box nightstand, and an Edison lamp. Hand painted gallery wall.
So complicated. I see the way you're acting like you're somebody else, gets me frustrated. Life's like this, you fall and you crawl.
You know we around to find your love. I wanna be the one, and I know you wanna spend your time in a bad place. What you really want, I know you cry, I know you try, I know you feel, I know you lie. I love you, you love me, you know that, I feel that. I love you, you love me, you know that, I feel that. I want you, you want me, you feel that, I know that. I want you, you want me, you feel that, I know that.
To morning, keeping me in the moment. I let you had I known it, you wouldn't say so. Didn't even notice, no punches left to roll with. You got to keep me focused. But this song is still for you. Now all I want is love that lasts. Is all I want, too much to ask. Is it something wrong with me?
Okay guys, so today I'm going to show you how I used everything in this box to DIY everything inside of my dorm room. So I DIY'd quite a few things, but today I decided I was going to show you guys how I did this mirror. It's actually my favorite thing in the room currently. So what I ended up going in with first is my spray paint and my screwdriver. So I used the screwdriver to screw off the back of the mirrors, only to find out that there was cardboard, tape, and glue on the back of them, so that didn't work. So I just tried to soak off the stickers in the tub, but it ended up dissolving the glue, so I got the frame out of the mirror. I got the mirror out of the frame anyway. And then I laid the sheet down because I live right next to my RA and I'm not trying to get in trouble for spray painting the sidewalk. So I went in with my Krylon gloss red pepper color color because that was like the theme of my room. And yep, this is how it ended up turning out. I really like it, but let me know if you guys think I should do the other full body mirror gold or if I should stick with the red. Yeah, bye!
I got pretty black girl. We got fights, doors and tails. Both sides like Chanel. Both sides like Chanel. Relax, move water. Getting like I'm underworld. My tattoo is for you. Police think I'm of the underworld. I'm cheating.
How to snap your space. I got these lights off Amazon for $20. I was a little bummed it was 2 to 16 feet instead of 132, but that's okay. I split them up the corner of my wall. Super easy to install with sticky tape on the back. Came with a remote. Boom, they're on and my space is snapped.
That's just me talking about some girl while your hands on my knee. I give a little, get a little less. Am I a flirt or just a mess? I want what I can have, but so do you. Apparently, is it the lights or is it that she's not here tonight? Strawberry eyes has got me thinking that you might be just my type. I'm taking what
tattoos or golden grill that makes me feel this way. Got me spinning like a ballerina, feeling gangster every time I see you. I like me better when
This is my daughter's room before I started the renovations on it. It was a mess and pretty dirty. And this is her room after. I did give her a chalkboard wall, which she loves to play with. Her walls are now painted blue, and that's the bookshelf that you guys saw me painting. And her blinds that I did, I'm waiting for her curtains to come in. I ordered online. And her dresser that I painted white. I did turn her handles to gold. They're missing a few pieces from the top I have to replace. And that's her room.